Discount School Supply, we provide complete classroom furnishing and design services, from concept to installation. Together, we help educators realize their vision and create learning spaces that truly inspire. With over 4,000 furnishing items, from desks and chairs to dramatic play and social seating, we support every stage of learning, from infant to upper elementary. Through our award-winning website, educators can shop from a wide variety of fully designed rooms, or partner with us to create a custom plan tailored to state standards and your unique spaces. And with our immersive virtual reality classrooms, you can experience your space ensuring you've made all the right decisions. From grade-level classrooms to collaboration stations and outdoor learning environments, we carry all the classics and innovative new solutions for every corner of your school. Reach out to your Discount School Supply representative today for expert support with new center openings, remodels, and expansions.